everyone, Dan Dean here, Grove City Ford. The video we're going to show you is about air filters. This is a 2024 Super Duty. We just took it in on trade. It has 18,000 miles on it. It's about a year old, 18,000 miles, and we're going to check out how the air filter looks. Alright, so this is the air filter after 18,000 miles, and you can literally see the junk on this at 18,000. We do recommend every 15,000 have your air filter changed. As you can see, 2024, and it needs it. So stop on in, click the link below, and schedule your service at Grove City Ford.